Just
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed.
Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos, so if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click that bell to notified whenever I make a video. So guys, today is Saturday and this is just like a Saturday in my life vlog. Don't know what's gonna happen because we can never know what happens in this day. So anyways, what's planned for today? We have cleaning, maybe some washing. We'll have practice for cantata, which is tomorrow. Yeah, so that's just what's on the agenda for today. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the rest of this vlog. We're going to do some breadfruits with some callaloo. It's alright. I'm gonna have to do this part of it because I'm not good. So we're gonna get a knife and peel. Alright, so I got the three things on the fire. We switched them up because that's the faster one. We need the oil on the faster one. So yeah. And then we have some eggs. We're gonna do some guele. And we got the water for the tea. Yeah? I made it finish. Cut it up. We finally finished. Say look. Yeah. It's rough, but yeah.
I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing. Oh.
Food noise. We're also doing a mukbang. My sister. Alright guys, so we're finished eating. As you saw, you know, the damage done. Food done, belly full. Yeah, so thank God for food. Alright, so I'm gonna clear my table and then wipe it off. Then we have some stuff that we need to go over church to drop off, so we're gonna drop that off and then come back. I'm gonna start by cleaning up the kitchen and then we're gonna move on to the rest of the house. So yeah, so today is supposed to be kind of like a clean with me kind of day. Yeah, just a little yeah, as I say, Saturday vlog. And most of it I think will be cleaning. Hopefully we get a lot of the cleaning out of the way so that next week I can put up the tree and the lights on the outside. So yeah, all of that we need to do. Oh yes, and we're gonna have a decorate with me for the church, so that's gonna be probably Monday video. So yes guys, I come with Shanico come film for you. Jesus! So enough chicken. You want to be in the vlog? Eh? Sure. I don't know what. Never mind. None whatsoever. Anyways, bye guys. What are you looking at?
Anything. You see.
So, time for us to clean the kitchen. It's not so bad. I have only 4 things to wash, so hopefully it finishes in like 15 minutes or so. You know, no more time. So let's let in some breeze. Yeah.
I've been wanting something from you. You make me let nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You make me let nothing. Oh.
The kitchen all clean. I still wait, you know what, I'm gonna chocolate box here because it needs to go before Christmas. So I know there are a few things in it, so I need to get them. It's fine where to put these peppers, but the plates are washed, you know, and all. So just there, I probably need to just figure out what should go there. And then the floors need to be swept and wiped, but that's for later. So yes, just want to show you guys that the kitchen is clean. And I'm happy. Yeah.
Make me let nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You make me let nothing. Oh. Baby,
guys, so finish washing for now because when I open the door, we have practice at 4, and I think it's to 4. It's like 10 minutes to 4. So we're gonna have to pause, and we wanted to just like change and get ready, so that we just work on the inside right now until then come. So we're gonna do that, guys. Me here, I scratch me. One wash, one recomb because it pull up. But I'm not talking that today. Probably Monday, probably Tuesday, somewhere thereabouts. Because I know I don't have any time. I mean, I'm gonna create more stress for myself, you know? Yeah. So I gotta just work with this here. But yeah, we haven't cleaned the windows as yet, nor put up anything, you know? Yeah. Tired. Tiredness can't buck right now. But just come from outside. As you guys see, I was hanging up clothes. Didn't wash much, but it's a start on the many things I have to wash. So I'm gonna find the pants. I have to find my pants similar to this one because brightness can't zone this camera on the top drop. Anyways, I'm gonna put on my pants similar to this one because we're gonna dance, so I'm gonna need something long and comfortable. So let me see if I find the other pants like this. I'm gonna change. So this is what I came up with. So I'm gonna change all of my wet clothes because guys, your belly are so wet. Your belly are so wet, and if you can see, yep, wet. Alright guys, I'm changed into something nice. Well, not really that nice, but you know what I mean, you know? Clean clothes. Dry, clean clothes. Still nobody. And it's 5 minutes after 4. Oh well. Anyways, so I'm gonna grab a snack because I'm hungry. I haven't ate lunch, so I'm just gonna grab a snack. Alright, what do we got here? Wafer. Chopstick. So I found snacks. I love these wafers. It's called bread. And I found this new flavor. Well, I haven't really seen before. But the other day I went in and I found it. It's called ron con pastas. But it have this cookie and Roman, no, it has this Roman raisin ice cream thing on it. So I was like, I want to try that. So I bought it. And it's actually nice. So, you know, you can try out that flavor if you like. Hey guys, so now we're actually cooking dinner. So you see we cook breakfast, we cook dinner, so yeah, everything I do. So we're going to do mackerel with some sardine, and Shanique is cooking the yam and breadfruit, onion. So should no, I think you probably know what to do. Where's that? Let that boil. So decorations are started. We can't go make an extra vlog out of this because I doubt it's going to be enough. But yeah. 2022. Yeah. Yes, we are done for the night. Alright guys, it is the next day. Just coming on to end this vlog that I didn't end it last night. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. Like, share, and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.